everyone, it's Christy. Sorry, it's a little dark today. So around 11:30 a.m. on Monday, April 13th, I actually lost power. There was a huge wind and rainstorm and it knocked the power out. And it's about 8 o'clock right now in the evening and I still don't have power. I'm using like a lantern and some headlamps to kind of illuminate everything. But I wanted to film this the night before in case I don't have power tomorrow morning. And with me sitting here in the dark, I wanted to kind of think of an idea or an activity that could bring your child a little bit of light. So what I thought about doing was creating a nightscape. What is that? So I've been seeing these all online. I think the most popular one is an underwater night scene with a flashlight. And so I made a forest night scene. You can kind of see it, but not really. And so, you know, maybe it would help if I gave you a flashlight. And with this flashlight, you're able to see the types of animals that are in my night scene. How cool is that? This is so neat. I love this craft. So the materials that you're going to need for this, let me just take this one apart so I can show you. Okay. So the materials that you'll need for this craft are a gallon Ziploc bag. You can even use a sandwich bag. It's just going to be a smaller scene, and that's totally fine. So a Ziploc bag of any size, some black piece of paper, so maybe some black construction paper, a white piece of paper, and an assortment of colored permanent markers, and a pair of scissors, okay? All right, so step one, you're gonna take a black permanent marker and you are gonna go ahead and you're going to outline your scene. Now, you should, you know, either put it on like a white or a light colored table, and if you don't have that, you can actually use the white piece of paper that I told you to grab, and you can use that and just put that inside your bag for you to draw on or draw over. So once the white piece of paper is in your bag, you can go ahead and outline a scene. It doesn't have to be a forest scene. I just chose forest because of all the nocturnal animals. But you could do, like the one that I've seen online is like the underwater fish tank. You can do fish, you can do fireflies. I mean, whatever your heart desires. Draw a scene with your black permanent marker, like just outline it. And then have your kiddos go ahead and like color it in with the different colored permanent markers. So for me, I made this forest night scene, and I have like an owl and a bat and a bear, a Luna moth, a raccoon, a possum, and a whole bunch of fireflies. So all these different nocturnal animals that we might see at night. And so once that's all done, you could then put that black construction paper inside your Ziploc bag. And this will turn your entire scene dark. And it's gonna be a little complicated to get in, so 1 second. Okay, so now I've turned my forest scene dark. Now it's time to make the light. This is very easy. All you're gonna do is take that white piece of paper and you're gonna draw a flashlight. And then as you cut it out, you're going to cut a whole bunch of negative space coming from the head of the flashlight where it's, you know, supposed to exert the light. And this is going to be the area that will get highlighted as you put it into your night scene bag. So you would just draw a flashlight and then cut it out. But right where the head is, where all of the light gets exerted from, you would leave white and just kind of make like a triangle-ish trapezoid, excuse me, shape to kind of visualize like the light that's coming from your flashlight. And then when you're done with that, you could then go ahead and play with your night scene by highlighting the animals that are in your night scene. How cool is that? So enjoy. I hope you guys have power, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, take care. Bye.